Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how we can create estimate before we send the technicians to site for any surveys or call out, something like this. So I'm going to take example of company Tesla. So here I have Tesla company details. You can find the details or you can search the customer right on the search bar. I can open up the account and you just look for the site which you want to send a technician. So I have a lot of sites linked with Tesla. So one of the site I want my technicians to go and perform the work, but before that I want to create an estimate. So I open that site here and I can see who is the contact person and what are the systems already installed in that particular site. And I have service plans which is already agreed between us and the company client. And then we have estimate section. So I already have one estimate, but I want to create another estimate for the new work that I want to carry out. So when you click new estimate, it's straightforward. You can just fill out the contact whom you want dealing with. Then tentative date and time. So it can be next week, Wednesday, and the work description. So I want, I mean, the customer requested for filling the gas for their AC. So um, to fill gas for AC. So it's like wall mount AC. So I just give the descriptions and then keep the date of estimation where when I created this estimate. And maybe if you want to specify who actually prepared this estimate, your technician or yourself. And then these are the stuffs are basic. Maybe you can just come to know later. And if you have any materials you want to carry out, then maybe you have any shipping charges, just mention it over here, and any other special amount. So this work can be carried out during days, not weekends. So that may be the additional note for your customers. So I'm going to just click save. And you will have estimate ready. So I just open the estimate. This is the high level information, and you have some detailed information. It's like, okay, so apart from that, the work description. So you want to specify which system you actually want to service, and if you need to charge any materials that you want to carry, that also you can include that. So the final amount will be changed based on this. So maybe service, it's like you have a system which was already installed. This one is installed, and then okay, I'm going to filling gas. See, that's the service that you will be doing it. And so the material that you would like to add it to the estimate is something that charge. That's the first thing that you would like to include. Which is your labor charge, or it can be a service charge. That doesn't matter. So it's like one time one visit charge. It could be $300, and if there is any tax, so I just mentioned that maybe 18% or 20%, whatever. And then I'll be having another item which is part, so which is like a gas I want to add. So I can just get some products related to that. Mm, um, gas, okay, that's fine. So this is the gas that I want to fill, and quantity could be 2 liters, and unit price should be $400, and tax should be 20%. So I then click save. That's it. So now you have service mentioned in the estimate, and you have items, so which is charge as well as part. both are added into this estimate, and you have the estimate items, total, shipping charges, tax, grand total, everything is calculated automatically. So this is something that you actually create estimate, but before you're presenting to customer, you may be wanting to have this internal approval. So I'm not going to go through the internal approval process, which is something that depends on the customer. So somebody wants 2 level approval and somebody wants 1 approval, that's fine. So now I'm going to just show you the preview, how it looks like. So this estimate actually can be downloaded and prepared as a PDF. So you want to see here what is the tentative date and time and work descriptions, what are the services that you would like to carry over, and any items and you wanted to add, and also the summary and the notes. So that's it about how we actually generate estimate and preview it. Now this is time for you to send it to customer. Either you can send it by just clicking this send button, or we can just save it into this estimate. Maybe later you can download the PDF and attach it to the email. And, you can write your own content. But now I'm just going to click save send, which actually sends estimate immediately with the default content which is already configured with the attachments. So I'm going to just see whether estimate. Yeah, I got the estimate. So this is the estimate that I got it. So I opened up, and you see I have the basic content which is already configured, and you can see the PDF attached into it. Yeah, so that's it about how you can actually create estimate and send it to customers. So that's what we wanted to cover. And the final step is that we can create a job. So if the estimate is okay by your customer, so this part something that we'll cover later in a separate video. I don't want to take the simple video to longer period of time, so I just like keep it simple. So we covered how you can find the customer, how we can find the site, and how we can go to the estimate section and create estimate and add services, add items, which is parts and charges, and how we can generate PDF and send it to customers. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for your time.